I'm the founder and CEO of a cybersecurity provider, CISOSHARE. I also am the founder and CEO of an organization called Cyber Forward Academy, and then finally of Talent Split as well. I think really what we're trying to do is kind of follow the whole life cycle of human development in actual innovation. So for example, Cyber Forward Academy, we actually train talent and get them going. Then they move on to transitioning from learning to working in Talent Split. Finally, CISOSHARE is a leading cybersecurity provider for organizations all the way around the world. So they go from that transition phase then into working for leading organizations everywhere. I think really the biggest challenge is twofold. I think one, the development process for being effective using innovation takes a time, right? It takes a long time to get people from learning about it all the way to actually then executing on the other elements of it. And then finally, I think the bigger thing is that people always think that innovation is just the tech. But really, we view that innovation is really a human process and the development of it. And I think we forget that, but that's the most important thing, as well. And I think that's a big challenge because people always just want to buy that next technical widget, and it's just not that easy. I think that really, as it relates to cybersecurity is always really securing other organizations and enabling them. So I think any idea that happens in any new industry, cybersecurity is just there to help that along, right? So it doesn't really matter. We're creating and helping to enable every industry and all those ideas that we don't even know about today. I think the biggest thing in the government is enabling scale, right? So if people are innovating and they're actually creating something that is effective and really building, then the government does have to come in there just to help where needed, not guiding actually what's being built, right? That should be led by the experts that invented it, but helping with scale in terms of resources, actual understanding, publicity of that concept to actually bring it out to the masses. I think this conference is a perfect example of that, right? Actually bringing them to the table and then just talking about the issues, right? Just talking about the issues and experiences that we all have so that we can move forward together, moving away the structure. I think as soon as you move away the structure, you put people together, then as humans, we're gonna dialogue and we're gonna make progress. I think the biggest thing for me is that I really view innovation as love, right? From a human perspective, we innovate because we want to give things to other people to enjoy. We help to train other people so that they can then innovate and add value in their lives. And so I think just really that human aspect of innovation is so important, and it needs to really enable all these great technologies that are out there right now.